Hello lovelies, welcome to Nawal Channel. In today's video I'm gonna share with you this soft romantic Valentine's Day look, perfect for beginners like me. Just a little disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist whatsoever, so literally this is everything that I learned from YouTube. I'm gonna start off with the baby skin primer from Maybelline. So next up, I'm using this foundation from Milani. It's foundation plus concealer in the shade Creamy Vanilla, and I'm just gonna work it into my skin. I'm first gonna use the brush and then a beauty blender to take off any excess. So for concealer, I'm using this Age Rewind from Maybelline. So to set my under eyes concealer, I'm using this Naked Cosmetics loose powder, and for the rest of my face, using the e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder. So I'm literally going to use only one palette, which is the Too Faced The Power of Makeup by Nikkietutorials, for blush, highlights, and for the eyeshadows. And so moving on to the eyes, I'm going to apply a chocolate Soleil bronzer to define my crease. Next, I'm going to use NYX glitter primer as a base all over my lid, and then apply sugar coated from the same palette all over my lid. So for my waterline, I'm applying this younique eye pencil in the shade Proper, which is a brown color, just to open them up. And for the brows, I'm just gonna add some color to them using this Showtime gel mascara from NYC, which is no longer available in USA. So for mascara, I'm going to use a Rodial Glamolash Mascara XXL, that's the name. And this is a great one because it gives you a fuller lashes and also the length you're looking for. I wanted to use false lashes, but I don't know how to apply them. Letter by letter, we get there one day. So into my lips, I'm going to use this younique lip liner in the shade Peachy, followed by a MDM Flow lipstick. So you can keep it that way, or you can add a gloss, and this one I'm using is from Rimmel London in the shade, it's a number 5135F. So that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and happy Valentine's Day to all lovers, and for singles, get a pizza. It's yummy and it will make you happy. All right guys, I will see you on my next one. Bye.